Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your academic goals with Academic Earth, full guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey with Academic Earth, first, visit the website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log into your new Academic Earth account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Identify the subjects or fields you are interested in. Use the search bar to find specific academic goals or courses. Browse the available resources, including videos, articles, and lectures. Select a course that aligns with your academic ambitions. Take notes on key concepts as you go through the material. Set a timeline for when you want to achieve each goal. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable milestones. Develop a study schedule that accommodates your personal commitments. Engage with the academic community by joining discussion forums. Ask questions and participate in conversations to deepen your understanding. Review your progress regularly to stay on track. Adapt your study techniques based on what works best for you. Seek additional resources if you encounter challenging topics. Utilize tools like flashcards or quizzes to reinforce your learning. At the end of your study period, assess your growth. Reflect on what you have achieved in relation to your initial goals. Adjust your academic ambitions as needed, based on your experiences. Continue to explore new courses and topics to expand your knowledge. Stay committed to lifelong learning through Academic Earth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.